Today we are going to practice more questions on drawing expanded structures of compounds. Let's read the questions together. Draw the expanded structures for the following compounds. A. Pentane. B. 2,2-dimethylpropane. And C. Benzene. Welcome back to KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Let's get started. This is pentane. Pentane has 5 carbons. The black balls will be the carbon. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 carbons and 12 hydrogens. The white balls are the hydrogens. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hydrogens. So to draw the expanded structure for pentane, we will start out from the carbon, okay? And then we will connect the bonds. These sticks will be the bonds connecting the atoms, okay? We will draw 5 carbons on a straight line and then connect the bonds between the carbons, because as you can see, every carbon is connected through a stick to the other carbons. And then we can number the carbons as well. So the carbons, this will be carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Notice that each carbon has hydrogens bonded to it. So if we say this is carbon 1, it has 3 hydrogens. So you add 3 hydrogens to the carbon 1. And then you proceed with the hydrogens around the other carbons. Carbon 2 has 2 hydrogens. Carbon 3 has 2 hydrogens. Carbon 4 has 2 hydrogens. And carbon 5 has 3 hydrogens. So this is the expanded structure for pentane. Let's move on to the next one. So this is 2,2-dimethylpropane. This compound also has 5 carbons and 12 hydrogens, just like how we saw in pentane. But for this compound, the atoms are arranged differently, okay? So we can count the carbons. The black ball again is a carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And of course, the white balls are representing hydrogen atoms. So they are also 12. So to draw this, you will start off with the continuous carbon chain. You can start to draw the continuous carbon chain from either this side. So if you started from this side, it's going to be 1, 2, 3. If you want to start from that side, it can also be 1, 2, and 3. If you want from this side, it can be 1, 2, and 3. So where you start from doesn't really matter, okay? You just have to decide where your continuous carbon chain would be from. This is going to be my continuous carbon chain. So I will choose this carbon 1, and then this middle one 2, and then this guy 3, okay? So I'm going to have, once you draw the carbons, try and number them. So if you are numbering, this will be carbon 1, carbon 2, and carbon 3. Now that we have numbers attached to the continuous carbon chain, let's look at carbon number 1. If this is carbon number 1, it has 3 hydrogens around it. 1, 2, 3. So attach the hydrogens to the carbon number 1. You move on to carbon number 2. So this is our number 1. This one is going to be our number 2. This carbon number 2 is bonded to 1 carbon going up, 1 carbon coming down. We'll draw C up and then C down. There we have our 5 carbons. So this will be 4, and this will be 5. You go to the next carbon, which is carbon number 3. You have 3 hydrogens, 1, 2, 3, and carbon number 4 has 3 hydrogens, 1, 2, 3. So we add 3 hydrogens to carbon number 4. The carbon pointing down will be carbon number 5. That one too has 3 hydrogens, 1, 2, 3. So we add 3 hydrogens to it. So this is the expanded. It's a little bit messy, but this is the expanded structure formula for 2,2-dimethylpropane. Let's move on to the next one. This is benzene. Think of benzene as a hexagon with 6 corners. It has 6 carbons and 6 hydrogens with alternating double bonds. If we say alternating double bonds, it means that there's a double bond right here, and then a single bond comes, and then another double bond. So the double bonds are alternating. Okay, let's try and see if we can draw the expanded version for this benzene structure. To draw benzene, start with a hexagon. So hexagon has 6 corners, so we will draw the carbon 6. We draw 6 carbons in a ring form, like a hexagon, and then connect the bonds. So you connect a single bond, and then a double bond, and then a single bond, then a double bond, then a single bond, then a double bond. You attach the hydrogens to the carbons. This will be the expanded version for benzene. Okay, this is KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Always remember that practice makes permanent. So when you watch any video no leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Share it with a friend, and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.